How to contact Binance customer support. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can contact customer support team of Binance. So basically, it's a very simple process. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So for that, you have to exit out of your application and then open up a browser. You can use any browser, whichever is convenient for you. And then on the search box, you need to type in customer support team Binance. And after you type in the information, you will be provided with a lot of articles and then the link. So you can go with whichever is convenient for you. That is, you can go with binance.com or you can go with binance.com/support. So if you want to live chat with them, then you can go to this link that says Binance customer support team, and that's going to directly take you to the other field where you'll be able to live chat with them and state about the issue. However, if the issue persists on, then you can just go ahead and select another method, that is www.binance.com/support, and this is also going to redirect to the other field where you need to select the reason for contacting the support team and all that. And basically, that's how you can contact Binance customer support. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.